Hello, my name is Mike from The Automotive Approach. Today we're going to be taking you through a quick video tour of our Ford Mondeo Titanium X Sport. So this is our 2010 Ford Mondeo Titanium X Sport. It's a 2.2 diesel, 6-speed manual gearbox. It's covered just over 119,000 miles from new. It's got 4 former keepers. Whilst in our care, we've given it a service, replaced the cambelt and water pump, new disc and pads all round, along with a fresh MOT with no advisories and a full 102-point independent mechanical inspection. You've also got Michelin Sport tyres on the front, Pilot Sport 4s, good quality tyre that. Overall, it's in really good condition for a template. It's covered 119,000 miles. A few little wear and tear bits here and there, a few stone chips and whatnot, but really not bad. Same on the alloys, odd little bit of curbing, but they're certainly not in bad condition for the age. Inside, you've got the half leather suede seats with the red stitching, heated in the front, air conditioning, DAB radio, Bluetooth, aux input, cruise control, power fold mirrors. Very nicely equipped. Really nice to drive too. Good engines, these 2.2 diesels. Loads of legroom in the back. Very, very practical motors, these. And an absolutely huge boot to mat with the rubber boot lining too. Very, very practical cars, these. Great looking too, with the twin exhaust, little spoiler, all the little sport bits on it. Really do make it look good. Overall, a really, really nice car. We spent a good bit of money on it, getting it ready. Getting the cambelt and water pump done, new disc and pads all round, and giving it a service. As always, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps us out. And if you have any more questions or queries, please get in touch.